The Russian kamikaze drone, Juran-I, represents a significant evolution in unmanned aerial combat. These drones have been integrated with GLONASS, Russia's alternative to GPS, allowing them to loiter and strike targets with real-time data. However, they're not without their vulnerabilities. They can be disrupted and potentially downed by radio frequency interference. To extend their operational range, these drones are being transported by the Tupolev Tu-22Me, a supersonic variable sweep-wing, long-range strategic bomber. The Tupolev releases 2 to 4 drones from its bomb bay. Once deployed, their modified engines carry them toward their targets. Reports also indicate adaptations for the Sukhoi Su-37, a multi-role jet, which could carry drones on its wings, using rocket-assisted takeoff to reach a safe launch area. This adaptation significantly increases the drone's range and lethality, boosting their potential operational distance from about 620 miles to an impressive 1,860 miles. This extended reach puts nearly all of Europe within striking distance from remote launch sites.